Money plant. The money plant is one of the most popular plants for attracting wealth and prosperity. It also purifies the air and brings positive energy into the home. It reduces anxiety and stress and makes a calm environment at home. Place your money plant as the southeast corner of your living room. Money plants are low maintenance and thrive in indirect sunlight. It can be grown in water and soil quite easily. Water them moderately and ensure good drainage to avoid root rot. Hope you are enjoying the video. Please tell me from where are you watching the video. Chinese money plant. The Chinese money plant is known to bring good luck and prosperity due to its round money-shaped leaves. The plant prefers warm temperatures, high humidity and medium to bright indirect sunlight. Jade plant. The jade plant is also believed to attract good fortune, wealth and success. Jade plant prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water only when the top 2-inch soil gets dry, as overwatering can harm the plant. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo can bring good luck, wealth, fortune and positive energy when properly positioned inside. The number of stalks on the plant has different meanings. For example, 3 stalks represent happiness, wealth and longevity, while 5 stalks attract wealth and prosperity. Place lucky bamboo in home in the east for health and southeast for wealth. Do not place lucky bamboo in your bedroom. You might have trouble falling asleep because of the powerful yang energy of these plants. Lucky bamboo thrives in water or soil. It hardly requires any care at all. Keep it in indirect sunlight and change the water every 2 weeks if grown in a bottle. Please subscribe to the channel. Peace lily. The peace lily is a symbol of harmony, purity and prosperity. It is known to cleanse negative energy and promote a sense of calm and balance in the home. It brings physical and mental balance. Its white flowers are said to attract positive vibrations. Peace lily thrive in low to medium light and prefer moist soil. Keep them away from direct sunlight. Rubber plant. The large, glossy leaves of rubber plant are said to symbolize wealth and abundance. It is also an excellent air purifier, making it an essential addition to your home. Placing a rubber plant in the wealth corner of your home can bring financial luck to you. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry. Aloe Vera. As per Vastu and Feng Shui, aloe vera promotes prosperity, happiness, positive energy and a calm atmosphere. Aloe vera purifies air and releases oxygen, especially at night, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms for better and deeper breathing and restful sleep. An aloe vera plant in your bedroom will create a more relaxing environment. Aloe vera prefers bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. Water it sparingly, as it is a drought-tolerant plant. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Snake plant. The snake plant may absorb negative energy from its surroundings. The plant improves air quality and refreshes the spiritual atmosphere of a home. The sharp leaves of snake plant may cut through negative forces and shield the home from bad spirits, dark energies and psychic attacks. The best place to keep snake plants outdoors is near the entrance of the house to prevent bad energy from entering the house and to invite fortune, longevity and creativity. You may place your snake plant indoors, near the entrance in the gallery to ward off the negative energy in the house, but allow to purify the indoor air and add oxygen to the air. But do not place snake plant in bedroom to avoid stress. The snake plant grows well in medium light, but can handle low light conditions. Maintain low humidity around the plant, but do not overwater. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the climate. Holy basil. Known as tulsi in India, holy basil is a sacred plant that is considered to bring good luck, good health and prosperity. Basil requires plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil. Water it regularly and pinch off the leaves to encourage growth. Orchids. Orchids are not only beautiful, but are also believed to attract positive energy and improves health. In Feng Shui, they symbolize fertility, luxury, and refinement. Orchids prefer indirect light and a well-ventilated environment. Water them sparingly and allow the soil to dry out between watering. Plants to be avoided in Feng Shui. Cactus, bonsai, cotton plant, weeping fig, bamboo palm, and oleander are considered bad luck Feng Shui plants. They are believed to bring negative energy into the space where they are kept. Also, avoid large plants in small spaces, dead or dying plants, and dried flowers. Tips for placement and care. Place your money-attracting plants in the southeast corner of your home or office, as this area is associated with wealth and abundance. The lucky bamboo, aloe vera, and peace lily are great Feng Shui bedroom plants. Some plants like Jade Plant and snake plants should be placed in front of the house or near the entrance of your house to attract good luck. Keep spiky, sharp-leaved plants like snake plant out of the bedroom to avoid stress. Keep only healthy plants, as wilted or dead or dying plants can attract negative energy. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching the video.